merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para dun sa reward system.
Do not make me account for something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. You are asking as if you are from the COA. Kailangan mo ng report, so you have to bring the papers. Hindi naman ako COA.
Nakukuha kami, nagtatanto, dahil ako po ay pinapapatay ni dating Pangulong Duterte.
Kung pinapatay kita, bakit buhay ka pa ngayon?
Successful po ba ang war on drugs ninyo?
Successful, ma'am. Na-minimize yung drug. You cannot entirely eradicate drugs because pang-anak buhay yan eh.
Mr. President, you are surrounded by, I believe, 4 lawyers.
Hindi ko na kailangan, ma'am.
Because you are a lawyer
I
yourself.
can take of myself. I can take care of myself. Magtanong ka na magtanong, ano? Pag sinabi kong campaign against drugs, you do it as a police officer. Nag-aral ka naman ng 2 years basics, sinunod mo lahat, you should follow. That if you go out of the way, I cannot answer for you.
Where do you draw the line of your responsibility in this war on drugs?
Because guilt is personal.
Yes, very personal.
You're a lawyer?
Yes, Mr. President. I will talk slow.
Panyero, you talk slower. Maybe maganda ka ang English mo, pero fortunately, hindi naiintindihan.
Sa mga kongresista na kaalyado ng mga NPA, mahaya naman tayo, no? Sa topic ng pagpatay, dahil kayo mismo, hindi kayo nagsasalita sa pagpatay ng NPA sa mga polis, sundalo at mamayang Pilipino. Sa NPA, nire-recruit ang mga kabataan para pabagsakin ng gobyerno at pumatay ng mga pulis, sundalo at tropa ng gobyerno.
Lang isipin.
Bawal po pumalakpak dito kung gusto niyo pumalakpak doon kayo sa labas. Maaari ba?
What kind of thinking that Mr. Chair?
It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you.
Yung former president ba ay willing na mag-cooperate sa investigation sa ICC?
I'm asking the ICC to hurry up. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal man, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. Am I that stupid? English yan. Ang Tagalog niyan is ganun, ako gagago. Abogado ako, fiscal ako, ganun ako gagago.
Ang reported lamang po na namatay is, ay almost 20,000 to 30,000. So, were you disappointed on this, Mr.
Kulang.
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Pwede, papayag ako, sampalin niyo ako, pero pirma muna kayo sa waiver.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon na.